No rain, no shine. And we're off. Right, we're hitting this track now. Me and Harley. ADHDawareness. Just gonna hit this, got a fight. 9th of December. Versus Jonathan Ron Royal. 3D Fight Club 3. So yeah, allotments around mine. Yeah. So we're back on Come Mountain today. Is that big boy? Got Harley with us. So yeah, we'll just pace ourselves. Take it nice and easy. Get that burn going. So on. ADHD awareness. We want safeguards put in place to protect the vulnerable kids from medication that has a really bad effect on them. End up in jail, possibly dead. Very bad side effects. So I'm doing my bit, bare knuckle, to get this, yeah, get this out there, protect these kids. Getting a bit steeper now. Yeah. The mountain we go. Pace yourself. Get your breathing right. Good lad. Get out for you. Lovely. Lovely. Absolutely beautiful. Good lad, come on Harley, keep it going. Well done. And up. Slippy here. Careful. ADHD awareness. That's why we're here. Right. Pace here now. Load of steps here now. Let's go. Go on, Harley. Well in. Go in. Push in. Love you.
Fucking need it.
Let's go. ADHD awareness. That's why we're here. Right.
Shit, boy.
So, regroup. Back down.
Yeah, man, trust me.
No water for me. Right. I'll do this. Let's go. Careful way down. Your footing. Don't want an injury. Okay? I'm fatigued anyway from the way up. So bear that in mind. Yeah, lovely mate. Beautiful. So the weather's perked up for us. Sort of like. 3D Fight Club 3. 9th of December. Go Kilowatts. This is Jonathan Rodden Royal. Catch weight fight. Great footwork there. Whoa. Good blocking foot team, watching. Down, you know. Careful on this bend. Hit, bro. Took the shortcut. Last bit, come on. Last bit. Stay in your stance. Stay in your stance. That's it. Well in. Stay in your stance. Well in. That's it. Step, bro. ADHD awareness. Bare knuckle boxing. Don't make the kids. Buchanan. Go Kilowatts. It's only just started. This is only just begun. This is the fight back. Go. Big sprint. That's it. Good lad. Big sprint. That's it, bro. All the way. Come on. And that's it. How it's done. That's how it's done. Come on, bro. ADHD awareness. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. The ring of fire's here. Let's go. Champion. Champion.
Fucking hell, lad. Oh.
Now it's recording.
I tell you what, Ryan, the nasty birds. He done this last year in my garden. Do you know Kevin thinks these birds are amazing? I'm not having him there, Ryan.
It's natural, isn't it?
I know it's natural, but you can fuck off in somebody else's garden. Not this.